Hi, Matthew Ray here with MarineMax Sarasota. Wanted to show you one of our latest trade-ins. This boat is so new as a trade-in. It's a 2011 Sea Ray 270 SLX. We haven't taken the name off yet, but that'll be off later this afternoon, and this boat will be available for purchase. This is a 2011 Sea Ray 270 SLX. It has a big block, an 8.2 liter engine, 380 horsepower. Manifolds and risers on this boat were replaced in February of 2017, as was a new transom assembly. So you're getting basically a one-year-old boat, pretty nice. 268 hours on the motor. Come out and take a look. Let me show you some of the features of this beautiful boat. Walk-through transom here. Really nice for boarding on the boat, but once you're on the boat, look what we can do. We have Gull Wing pads on each side. Flip open, looking for a Sunpad maybe for the family. We've got it right here. We've also got a seat back cushion here. It closes in. Now we're all nice, comfortable, and secure in the boat. Really nice boat. It's a 9-foot length boat, 9-foot beam, 270 overall length, 27 feet. Again, an 8.2 liter big block engine. Boat will do about 48, 50 miles an hour, so real comfortable. Has a great stereo system. Nice extended shade. Boat comes with a cockpit fridge, wet bar here. All closes up nice. You've got storage down below here for skis, ladders, what have you. Anything down below you need, noodles, perfect. Got a beautiful head compartment. Vacuflush toilet. That's a porcelain toilet with a holding tank. It's a 10-gallon holding tank, 12-gallon water with a stainless steel sink. You've got a stereo with a CD player. Really nice boat as a 2011. Lots of seating up front, abundant area here. The boat has a windlass. So this is a really nice family boat for you to run on. Lastly here, we've got a chart plotter, a Garmin chart plotter on the boat for navigation. You've got all your switches here. You've got your ignition, boat fires right up. Beautiful boat. Really nice running boat. Great for the family, tubing, cruising, cocktailing. Take it up to the beach to raft up with your friends. If you'd like some more information about this or any of our other pre-owned or new boats, please reach out for us. MarineMax Sarasota. I'm Matthew Ray.